So hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video, uh, we brought you an unboxing video. So what could it be? Yeah, you guess it's right. It's an UPS. I got this UPS for about $80 from the market, and seems like this UPS is very good and best fit for my desktop PC that consumes about 350 to 400 watt. It gets a lot of features like super fast charging, 3 overload protection, surge protection, uh, and yeah, it's from a ProLink. You can check its specifications and all the product details on the box itself. So inside the box, you can find a cable for the UPS and the UPS well packaged inside it. This UPS is quite heavy, because it got 2 batteries inside it. The reason I bought this UPS is because there is some power fluctuation within my area. So in order to protect my desktop PC and its data, I planned to um, have an UPS for my PC, and I really love this product after using it for several days because it got lots of features and power protection too, and the 1200 PA is best suit for my PC. So if you have a gaming PC, a heavy desktop, you may buy this product. It's 1200 PA UPS. It gave me about 25 plus minutes battery backup, and it's quite good. It got dual battery backup inside it. It got 3 indicators, one for the power and charging, one for the battery, and the red one is for the overload protection. Please read instruction manual before using it. Also, please charge it for 6 to 8 hours before using it. Using this UPS for this desktop, as you can see, it's a gaming PC, it's a render machine, and yeah, I'm very happy with this ProLink UPS 1200 PA device. You can buy one if you have a similar purpose like me. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked this product and my video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.